welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Declan and I collect records and vinyls, CDs and tailor merch. I just woke up. It is 6:40, 20 to 7 and we are gonna go get ready for record store day. Yeah! This is what we're going with. So t-shirt, cargos, and torture pots jumper. So that is what we are wearing for the 2025 record store day. It is currently raining outside, which is great. Oh, and this is my check bag. So we are going to get shoes and we are going to get ready. Hey guys, we are now off to the record store and they have what I want. They've got one that I can see that I've got on my list, which is Taylor, and somehow they've got a Wicked of copy, which is interesting because there's 2,000 and record stores are only lucky enough to get 2 or 3. So we are on our way to the record store and I will see you when we get there. Okay, we are now gonna get some coffees because we need the energy for record store day because they don't open until 9 and it is 20 past 7. So good, and I will do it. We're going to now go to another records shop. They're doing 15% off and I'm not sure what they've got, but I'm pretty sure it's all secondhand, which is fine. Hopefully they've got something that I would like because I am excited. 15% off records, and the record store that I just went to, they had $10 off all records, which is great. I will show you what I got in a sec. So the deal with Guess is that in Australia they only had 20 copies worldwide and they didn't get allocated one. So, I mean, they only got 20 copies of Guess worldwide in Australia. And the record store didn't get allocated one. So I missed out on Guess, but we're going to go to this next record store, which has 15% off all records, and I'm excited. So I will film once I have gotten the record. Guys, so I didn't get vinyls because I didn't have any vinyls that I would like, but I got 1989 Deluxe with the Polaroids for $30, which is a steal, if I'm honest, because y'all know how much they go for. So I got that one. Oops. I don't know. So they faded over time, I'm pretty sure. That one. Because of how old they are. So I got 2 sets by the looks of it. No, I got 28 through to 39. So if somebody can tell me what set that is, that would be great. And then I also got, hold up. So that's what the Polaroids look like. I will figure out what I'm going to do with the actual Polaroids because I don't know what I'm going to do. So that's the front. I got this for $30 secondhand, which is great. And then that's the inside. So now I have 3 copies of 1989. I will probably end up selling one or doing it for a giveaway on my channel, my YouTube channel, later on in the year. And then I got, I think this is Platinum Fearless, if someone can tell me. And I got this for $10. And in Australia, these usually retail for $40 in JB Hi-Fi for the Fearless one. I think this is the international version, but I am going to show you the records that I got, even though I showed you earlier. We're gonna sleeve some as well. So first up, I got Fortnite. That's the front, that's the back. I'm thinking I'm going to keep this sealed for in case I want to sell it in the future, but I'm definitely going to unbox this one because this is Gracie Abrams live from Radio City Music Hall. That's the front, and the cover art on the back, oh, to die for. Okay, we're going to sleeve these and I'm going to be back. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this one. For some reason, this one didn't come with a sticker, unfortunately, that says Record Store Day. Or it either did and it just didn't get labelled. If someone could let me know, that would be great. So, we are going to have a look at the vinyls. Oh my god, I am no need to sleeve these, guys. Look at this. Oh my gosh, it is so pretty, even though it's black. I love it. And then we're going to have a look at the gatefold. Actually, I am going to sleeve this. Unfortunately, I have the paper sleeves. Great. Okay, so this is the inside. This is the gatefold. Ah, I love it. Let's sleeve these. Oh, they look amazing. I think this is 10" instead of 12. No, it's 12. I think it's a 12. Guys, don't come for me, please. I really wish That's So True was on here because she has it on her Vivo 7". And I will tell you the track list for it in a minute. I'm not holding it by the grooves, I'm holding it by the rim of the vinyl. Okay. That's what she looks like. She can go with her sister. She can go with her big sister, The Secret of Us, the non-live one. Okay, I am thinking of keeping this sealed. If there are any Swifties watching this, of course there will be, please let me know if I should unseal this or keep it sealed because I'm debating. Guys, that is going to do 2025 Record Store Day. I will probably have a look at Spin Me Around Records and see what they've got left over because I know that they had a bunch of guests. So, probably have a look and see what they've got left, if they have any guests. But I don't think I will be unboxing this one. Even though it was $40, it's not bad if you ask me. I don't think I'm gonna open it. Because I think if I want to sell it in the future, it'll be worth a lot. But if Spin Me Round Records has any leftover copies, I will get one and I will open one along with guests. Because Australia only got 20 copies in the whole of Australia, and the record store that I went to didn't have any.